Well, what's going on, people? Welcome to another day on the shop. Woo. As you can tell, I've been sick, or I'm still sick. Don't feel worth crap, but hey, I'm making it. I got stuff to do. It's been a heck of a week. We had a really rough week at work. I ended up having to splice a 600, two 600 splices, a 400 splice, 200, two 400s, two 200s. Yeah, and then get everything back up and working. And for all those that don't know, yes, I am a telephone man. I work for the local telephone company. Y'all can probably figure out who that is. But I think I worked more overtime in the last 4 days than I have all of last year. So yeah. And then plus, you know, it was 40-mile-an-hour winds, 38 degrees. I think I got a chest cold. So today's gonna kind of be a hodgepodge. We have got the, let's see, I'll show y'all here. We've got the trailer back with the winch on it, and one of the things that we have to do, we've already fixed it once, but yeah, he bent it. Well, we got to refix that, and also I'm going to come up with a way to, he bent a couple things on it, but we're going to fix a lot of stuff, and also I'm going to make him a hanger for these racks to hang on, or his ramps for them to hang on. And we also I had to get the trailer because I've got I had to get my tractor back, and then got my tractor back and the starter's going out, so I've got to get it cranked up and get over here. So really it's just going to be a kind of a hodgepodge day. So yeah, we're going to get at it. See y'all shortly. Alright, so starter's going out on the tractor. It's leaking. You gotta change the fuel filters, but all this is really dirty, so we're gonna try to clean it as best we can. So while that's doing that, all right, well, so I sprayed some cleaner on it. Sprayed some more cleaner on it. Brake parts cleaner will clean it and dry it really quick. Because I need to get that starter off. So, and the fuel filter. What is that? Oh, that ought to be fun. This might be interesting. All right, we're back in a minute. What I'm doing is taking the battery cables off. They're hard to get to. What we'll do then, we're going to take this battery in and put it on the charge. Give it a boost. Oh, well, we've run into a little snag. I'll show you what the problem is. So, this arm right here basically does this. So when you set the bucket down, of course this is going to be forward. This, I don't know if y'all can see it or not. There we go. This is what holds all of this level, so I can pull the front end off, and then I got to drop the loader frame to get this off. Well, the other side doesn't have one. These things are $300 to $400. 600 bucks brand new, $300 to $400 used. So what I think I'm going to do is try to make one. So we're going to get some measurements, basically. So we're looking at 29 and a half at the front, 31 and a quarter. I guess what we really need to do is get something we can write on. All right, so we're back. So we said 30 and a quarter. Let's see here. 29 and a half. And 30 and a quarter. So that'll give us, and it is roughly 3 3/8 wide. Three and 3/8 wide. I don't know about all these Backing that trailer up is the bane of my existence. All right, guys. Everything else was gone to crap today, so what we're gonna try to do, we're gonna fix on this trailer. He came back because he done bent the crap out of it. So, yeah. We gotta do some heating and some rebending and some rosebudding and all kinds of good stuff. But I'm gonna set y'all up over here. And y'all can see. All right. We gotta get everything ready. All right. See if we can blow something up. Let's talk about something. I need to get that wood out of the way. Yeah. That might work better. Now here's the train in the background. It's coming through. We're just gonna let that sit there for right now and cool off. And I'm gonna grab a tape measure. I'll show you all this with the piece of aluminum. I'm not gonna use aluminum, but I'm gonna use a piece of aluminum. And I'm gonna grab a tape measure. I'll show you all this with the piece of aluminum. I'm not gonna use aluminum, but I'm gonna use a piece of aluminum. I'm not gonna use aluminum, but I'm gonna use a piece of aluminum. we're gonna do that too. And weld that to the bottom like such. And then that should A, hold the wood down, and B, strengthen all this. So, that is 84 5/8.